Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand upper and lower bound for year 9 students. Let's get started. Upper and lower bound. First, we will understand what is lower bound. The lower bound is the smallest value that would round up to the given value. It means that the value which is rounded off to the given value, and that value should be the lowest value you have. Upper bound. The upper bound is the smallest value that would round up to the given value. It means that this is the value you have to take it, which is the higher value, which will still be rounded off to the given value. That is your upper bound. Finding the greatest and least possible values of a rounded measurements. We need to find out the greatest and the least possible values. What are the methods we have to use that to identify the lower bound and the upper bound? You have to identify the place value of the degree of accuracy stated. They will tell you the degree of accuracy that I want the answer should be correct up till 1 decimal place or 3 significant figure or anything nearest to kg or the nearest to the gram or nearest to 10 kg. They are going to give you the degree of accuracy. With that, we will define the place value of that number. Divide this place value by 2. I need to divide the number by 2. Subtract the amount to the given value to find out the lower bound. To get the lower bound, you need to subtract that value from the given value and the amount to be added to the value to find the upper bound. And to get the upper bound, you need to add that value to the given value. Let's understand this concept with the few examples here. A mass of 60 kg rounded to the nearest 10 kgs. As it has given to round it to the nearest 10 kgs, let's divide it 10 by 2, which is written as 10 by 2 is 5 kgs. 5 kgs we need to subtract from 60 kg to find the lower bound. 5 kgs we need to add to 60 kg to find the upper bound. Lower bound will be written as 60 minus 5 is 55 kgs. Upper bound will be written as 60 plus 5 is equal to 65 kgs. I need to write down the value. The value is rounded off to 60. The lowest bound is 55 because the last digit is 5 here. 5 and the above numbers 6, 7, 8 all rounded off to the next number, which is 60. In this case, I cannot add 65 because it is still 5 here and it will round off to 70. So that means this 65 is not included. Here 55 is included. That's why I have put the equal to sign here. But I didn't put the equal to sign here because 65 is not included inside it. Till 64 it is included. So this is your lower bound and this is your upper bound of the number 60 kg. Let's see one more example here. A mass of 60 kg rounded to the nearest 1 kg or nearest whole number. They can ask you any type. Either they tell you that rounded off to nearest whole number, that is one whole number, or they can say that the nearest 1 kg. This is the degree of accuracy you have. The degree of accuracy, let's divide it by 2. It is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. 0.5 kg we need to subtract it from 60 kg to find out the lower bound. 0.5 kg we need to add it to 60 kg to find out the upper bound. Lower bound will be written as 60 minus 0.5, which is 59.5 kg. Upper bound is 60 plus 0.5, which is 60.5 kg. All the values rounded off to 60. So this number 59.5, which is your lower bound, that is included. All the values which are turning to 60 is greater than 59.5. And all the values which are less than 60.5, 60.5 is not included. 60.4 is included inside it. So all the values will round it off to 60, which is your nearest 1 kg. This is your homework. Find out the lower and upper bound for all the questions. Write down in the comment section and I will reply you back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.